everyone, I'm Lulu. I'd like to introduce the XQ-A1200 roll-to-sheet cross-cutting machine with ultrasonic welding. Equipped with air shaft, cylinders for auto-loading, and magnetic puller controller and web guider avoid manual adjustment by worker. It can stop automatically when run out the material. The width of edge folding is adjustable and sealed by ultrasonic welding after folding. Photoelectric eye tracking makes sure the precision cutting of the printed sheet. Adopt cold cutting knife, easy adjustment and longer service life. Tidy sheet collecting and preset the batch number, convenient for workers to pack the product. Separate distribution box with main machine interface touchscreen. Adopt computer control for important data, such as length speed, production speed, and single batch quantity. The operation is more intelligent. Would you like to know more about number one bag making machines? Follow up.